in this session, we will talk about information functions in Excel. So basically, what does these functions actually do? They return uh, a test result. For example, if we want to check the value in a cell, that is it a number or a text or the cell is blank, or if there is any error, that kind of information it gives. So basically, this is the reason they are called information functions, because they provide us the information. For example, we have this value here, 24. See, the color of the cell is white. That's why the text is not prominent. Make it black. So we have this value in the cell D2, which is 24. Now, if I write is number and give the cell as one of the parameters, it says true, because yes, this is a number. In case we write is text and give the cell as parameter false, because this is not a text, this is a number. Okay. Similarly, we can check if a cell is blank or not. False, because this is not blank, this is a number. In case we are referring here E2 instead of D2, what will happen? True, because this is a blank cell, it does not have any value. Okay, fair enough. In case we divide this number by 0, like this divided by 0, this is the result we'll get, because we cannot have a 0 in denominator. Now we are checking if is error, and we are giving this true. So yes, this is an error. Okay, so what does if error does? If is error function is telling us that this is an error or not, then what does this function do? We'll write if error in this cell, then write error. So it says error. So basically, is error identifies if there is an error in the cell or not, and if error helps us to customize the message, to customize the outcome. Like instead of returning true or false, it is giving us customized message that yes, this cell has error or whatever we want to write here. Like there is an error. So it will return this message. So these are the informational functions. When we talk about the use case of these functions are mostly used in advanced Excel, like in data validation, conditional formatting. So we will move ahead with those modules, data validation, conditional formatting, and other stuff. Then you will get to know their use case. But yes, at this point of time, understand and remember the name of the functions and the argument and their usage. That is sufficient as of now.